Hey, what's up, YouTubers? So in front of you we have NITECORE Utility Pouch, which is the NUP10. So we're going to give you an unbagging of it and a quick overview of the bag and what's inside and what you can hold. So it comes in a plastic bag. Here you can see it's an NUP10. They do have different sizes. This is a utility pouch by NITECORE. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the back. And it's a belt system, so you can put your belt through here or loop it through some straps. Here's the front of it. There's two pockets. Here's one pocket you have for your cables. You can hold your radios or something. Here's a clip. And on the front is a M.O.L.E system, so you can actually attach carabiner clips or other bags onto it. So strap up on top, a handle. And here's the main compartment. It does come with shoulder straps, so you can actually loop it through here. Additional pouches, elastic bands, and two other ones inside, and inside is Velcro. So if you have anything that's Velcro, whether it's a patch or some other pouch, you can Velcro it onto there. So this would be great for walkie-talkies, battery packs, if you have knives, flashlights, batteries, pretty much anything that you need to carry with you can all be stored inside the pouches. In the pockets, IDs, phones. So this NITECORE NUP10 utility pouch. We'll leave a link in the description for you to purchase on where you can purchase it. So again, it comes with shoulder strap, and it comes in different sizes. So this is the NUP10. Definitely leave a comment, subscribe, give the video a like. We'll have more, so check back soon. Thank you very much. See ya.